Hi children, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to do a model reading of a poem that is The Little Duckling. Okay, now I am going to read a poem as a model reading and I want to solve these riddles. Okay, poem The Little Duckling. Let us begin. Solve these riddles. See here students, they have given here two riddles. We have to solve them. Whether there is rain or not, I am always green. I never use a lipstick. My lips are red. I can speak like human beings. Who am I? See here, it is a one type of bird. We have to guess it. Okay, whether there is a rain or a not. If there is rain or not. Hmm? I am always green. I am always green. I am green in color. I never use a lipstick. I never use lipstick to my lips. My lips are red, but that bird's lips are red. I can speak like a human being. Like human beings, that bird can talk. Who am I? Okay. Who am I, children? See here, we can write, we can guess it as a parrot. Parrot has a red lip and a green color feathers, and it can talk like a human being. Okay, see here, I am a bird but I can't fly. I can swim. I live in the Antarctic. I am black and white in color. I lay a single egg in a season. Who am I? See, this is also one type of bird. It is a bird but it can't fly. It can swim. It is living in Antarctic. It is living in a Antarctic. I am black and white. I am black and white. Its color is black and white. It lays egg, single egg in a season only. Which is that bird which lives in Antarctic? Penguin. Penguin. Okay, penguin. Now let us start a model reading of this poem. Okay, follow this interesting poem in your book when your teacher reads it. The little duckling sees a peacock. What a beautiful tail! I want a beautiful tail too. Suddenly, the little duckling has a big, beautiful peacock's tail. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees a flamingo. What beautiful legs! I want beautiful legs too. Suddenly, the little duckling has long, thin, pink legs. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees an eagle. What beautiful wings! I want beautiful wings too. Suddenly, the little duckling has big brown wings. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees a cock. What a beautiful hat! I want a beautiful hat too. Suddenly, the little duckling has a big red handsome hat. The little duckling is very pleased. All the little ducklings' friends swim in the river. The little duckling says, "Stop, wait for me." And he jumps into the water. But his peacock's tail is very heavy. His big brown wings are very heavy. His long, thin pink legs cannot swim. His handsome red hat is very heavy and he can't breathe. Glug, glug, glug. I want a little duckling's tail and a little duckling's legs and wings. And I don't want a hat. Suddenly, the little duckling can swim and he can swim very well. Soon he is with his friends. See here children, here they have given some new words. We will learn them. Pleased. Pleased means happy. Heavy. Not light. Having great weight. Heavy means it is too much weight. which the things have more weight. It is heavy, not light. Having a great weight. Handsome. Handsome means good looking, smart. Glug. Sound made while drowning in water. When the birds they are swimming in the water, they are doing this sound, glug glug. Hat. The cock's comb, the cock's red color comb is called as a hat in this lesson. Okay, now see here students, I have underlined some difficult words. What you have to do, you have to write in your classwork book 5 times and you have to memorize them perfectly. Pleased, flamingo, little, jumps, peacocks, brown, handsome, breathe, heavy, glug, wings, suddenly, duckling, friends. These all spellings you have to write in your classwork book, in English classwork book 5 times and perfect them. By this, we end our today's video. Thank you, children.